because our fans were loud and annoying. They had this really high pitch hum, but with the tonal noise, it was kind of this just overarching hum that would get in between your ears and just drive you insane, and it could. And we had a lot of customers that would reach out and say, "You got to do something about this. You're not doing anything for hearing protection, but this goes in between the little earbuds that we put in so that you can hear it at all times." So what we were really trying to do is eliminate that more than anything. We had this big overhaul where we had to do a ton of testing to figure out, first of all, what was causing the noise. And there was little slats that were inside of the fan, and we eliminated those and changed up a few other things. We can't give away all of the secret sauce, but we figured it out. And so we eliminated that tonal noise, and eventually even came up with a kit where we could retrofit them. But we also upgraded our gear motors, our controls. We rebranded during that time. So it was a lot of change. But the impetus was really a lot of customers struggling with that annoying screaming that the fan would do.